One fine day with a wolf and a purr, the baby was born and we called the little nose, buzzard nose, three-eyed frog.
You want to see Cobra eat cat food on camera? This is ridiculous. Yeah. I tried one bite for y'all. Oh. Yo, this cat food is more disgusting than a piece of poop. My YouTube troll's obsession with me is more disgusting than this cat food, and that's really saying something. Like, haha, we sent Cobra some cat food. Fuck him. And how is that trolling? You know, you're going to go out of your hard-earned money to send Cobra cat food because you're jealous I get actual human food from my fans. I mean, I eat canned fish like sardines and shit. So this is not too out of the realm of, you know, like I'll eat a can of canned tuna like it's nothing. But that's for humans. Actual fucking cat food. It's like, what am I doing for a Saturday? I want to watch Cobra eat cat food because this is the highlight of my life. Watching Cobra drink peppermint schnapps and eating cat food on YouTube Live.